Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a tasty penne pasta with mushroom recipe. And here are the prepared ingredients. Here I have cube cut onion, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 3 pieces of cheese, dried oregano, a slice of mushroom, a bowl of penne pasta, and my homemade basic white sauce. If you want to know how to do it, just watch the procedure on my video. Let's get started. Here I prepared a salted boiling water. I put a teaspoon of salt. Now let's boil our penne pasta. And boil it for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, let's check our penne pasta. And now it's done. Now let's strain and drain the water. Now it's drained. Set aside. Using our pan, let's add a bit of olive oil. Heat the olive oil. Now when it's hot, let's fry our mushroom. Fry it until it turns to golden brown. Now it turns to golden brown. Let's remove it from the pan and put it in a drying paper. Done and set aside. Using the same pot, let's fry our onion. Fry until it releases the aroma. And let's add our garlic. Let's combine and wait until it turns to a little bit of golden brown. When it's turned to golden brown, let's add our cheese. Let's fry until it melts. And let's add a little bit of fresh milk. Now our cheese already melted. And now let's add our prepared white sauce. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix it. Now let's add our boiled pasta. And shake it. Look at that, how creamy it is. And let's put a pinch of oregano. Mix it. Let's add our fried mushroom. Mix it. And our tasty penne pasta with mushroom recipe is ready. And now let's transfer it on the serving plate. And let's add a bit more of mushroom on the top. And a sprinkle of dried oregano. And our tasty penne pasta with mushroom recipe is ready to serve.